What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia if this is your first time watching. So for today's video, I have recorded this like 3 times, but it's alright. I am going to do a look with my Boxycharm products that I have gotten from August, September, and October, I believe. And also a few other items that I've gotten in the past. Don't mind my eyebrows. I was like literally trying to tame them with soap, but I guess the soap that I have isn't like waxy enough or something. I mean, it looks way better than it was. But yeah, now my eyebrows smell like Irish Spring. So yeah, so for today's video, I'm basically going to create a look with my Boxycharm products and using the last 2 palettes, which was, I believe it was the Pretty Vulgar palette and the Pure Cosmetics. So if you like videos like this, you should subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. And let's just get right into the video. Alright, so first things first, I would like to start by moisturizing my face because I'm going to be using a matte foundation and you don't want to look crusty under it because the matte can really bring out your dryness. So if your oily skin, matte foundation is great for you, but if you have like combination skin like me, and this is an oil-free moisturizer, so it doesn't bring out any more of the oils. That's on because, you feel me, you don't want crusty lips either, especially now in the fall, everything is crusty. For my under eyes, I'm going to be using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, and I'm not really sure if it makes a difference, but it definitely does. I mean, as far as wrinkles, but it definitely does hydrate my eyes and prepare it for concealer or whatever. Alright, so for my brows, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Brow Gal. This was in a Boxycharm from like last year or something like that. And I think it's really dope because, whoa, because it broke. Because it has 3 shades, and that way you could create the kind of brow that you're going for. Usually I just stick with the 3rd shade. That's just the color that I like. So with the brow powder, I like it because it's so much faster to actually do your eyebrows, and you kind of just put it in there. I really like to have make my eyebrows look messy and then just let the concealer do its thing. So sorry if you hear like any background noises. I live in New York City and there's always something going on outside. The next thing I'm going to do is use this Maybelline concealer. This is the Fit Me concealer in light 10, and I'm just going to dot around the top and bottom of my eyebrows to kind of just clean them up. I'm just going to take this Morphe brush M432 and just clean that up real quick. This way it appears sharper and it doesn't look so hairy. Like, it kind of camouflages that I need to do my brows. I want to say that my favorite part of makeup is brows and lips, because brows is just like your whole face, you know, they're so important. And lips, it just completes the look, so like it just makes a whole difference, you know. So those are like my 2 favorite parts. Moving on to my eyes, I'm just gonna go again with the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow base. I'm gonna put that on with, this is also from my Boxycharm. I think it was September's box or whatever. I usually don't set this, but judging from like my last few videos, I think I should, because it kind of just made the color look kind of weird. It didn't show up as a brown, it kind of made it look gray, like dusty and strange. So let's just set the eyes. And so first thing I'm going to go in with is with the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette, and it's just this really neutral brown smoky eyed looking palette. And the first shade that I'm going to go into is Hide and Seek. The next color that I'm going to go into is Flip Out with the same brush, because ain't nobody got time for that. And just put it in my crease. You want to make sure it's really blended because we're going for a smoky look. So you really want it to look like a gradient. So continuing with this palette, I'm gonna go in with another blending brush, and don't mind that it's dirty, but because I've used it like for the last 3 videos, trying to record the same look. So I'm gonna go in with this is All Nighter, and I'm just gonna put that in the outer V. So it's kind of messy in this corner, but it's okay because we're gonna clean it up and blend it out, so it doesn't really matter. Using that same blending brush that I used before, I'm gonna go in with, I really have to stop looking at the viewfinder. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that, smoke that out. I'm doing too many smoky looks. I'm going to do like a cut crease in my next video or something like that. Now going straight in with this palette, the first look I kind of did was with this green color, and it's super cute, but I kind of like more how this blue looks on my eyes, and it also brings out my brown eyes. So picking up a flat brush, this is a synthetic brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Showtime and put that on my lid. So pretty much I'm gonna go in with my finger just to, you know, get it more intense, the color payoff and whatnot. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that. I'm just gonna go back into the Pretty Vulgar palette and pick up the shade Flip Out and kind of just darken it right here, I guess. Pick up the shade All Nighter. And go back and just blend it out between the two shades that I just between the blue shade that I just applied. I'm just gonna take like a little bit of this facial spray and spray my brush, and then go in my inner corner with the same shade exposed. So moving on to my face, I'm just going to put some dewiness using this Temp2 X Boxycharm Liquid Glow, and I got this about a year ago too. Boxycharm is cool because you can actually like try products, and and if you like them, go and rebuy them. Like, try products that you probably would have never thought of buying. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation stick, and this thing is matte AF. So if you like the matte look, you should buy this. If not, don't buy it, because this brings out everything on your face. So you have to make sure that you're really moisturized. Using that same brush, I'm just gonna blend it. I usually like to go down because I have like little peach fuzz on my face, and it brings out the hair. This is a little burnt mark from my wand. I'm trying to cover it because it does look like a hickey. Moving on to concealer, I'm not going to color correct because this Shape Tape is super full coverage. I'm just going to use it to conceal my under eyes and also highlight. Using my Real Techniques sponge, I'm just going to blend that out. Before my under eye creases, I'm just going to go ahead and set it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. For contour, I really don't like using cream products because it just takes entirely way too long, and sometimes you just don't have time for all that. So what I'm going to do is take this e.l.f. blush brush, and literally at this point I just use any brush for anything, and I like this because it's small. To finish off my under eyes, I'm going to go back into this palette and first use the shade with this tiny blending brush and just blend that out. So using a liquid liner, I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes. I'm not going to go do a wing, but I just want this so that my eyelashes look a little bit more natural. Put some more definition up in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Just Blushing, and the color Just Playful. This is so pigmented, like you have to be careful or you look like Annabelle. Like literally just like swiping my face, like barely. Go ahead and brighten my under eyes with the KKW brightening powder. Highlight, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. For my lips, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D bow and arrow. And for, I just put it basically around my lips to give it more definition. And for a gloss, I'm going to go in with a dose of colors, barely there. Go ahead and set my makeup. That's pretty much it. This is the finished look. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.